Smith here at Cascata Apartments, and we're having ongoing problems with our refrigerators, so I wanted to give you a helpful tip to keep your refrigerator working properly. So if you open your door, you have your temperature right here, and it's the way these are made, the water filter is right here above there, and so if this is set too low, this is causing the filter to freeze up and not getting water into from your door. So if you take this and turn the temperature up to approximately 37 degrees, your food will still stay cold, and it will prevent your icebox from freezing up. And then you can enjoy your water from your icebox.